Forgotten username recovery failed on Zelle Fix. If your attempt to recover your Zelle username keeps failing, you're not alone. Most people assume the app or website is broken, but the surprising truth is recovery usually fails because your Zelle account isn't directly managed by Zelle itself. It's tied to your bank or credit union. Let's go through exactly how to fix it step by step. First, remember that Zelle doesn't store usernames and passwords independently. Your login credentials are handled through your bank's app or website. So, if you registered Zelle through your bank, you need to recover your username from there, not from Zelle.com. For example, if you use Zelle through Bank of America, Wells Fargo or Chase, go to your bank's login page and use their Forgot Username option. Once your bank account credentials are recovered, you automatically regain access to Zelle inside the bank's app. But if you enroll directly through the Zelle mobile app, here's what to do. Open the app and tap Need Help Signing In. Choose Forgot Username and enter the email or mobile number you used when you signed up. Make sure it's the exact one linked to your Zelle profile. Even a single number off will cause recovery to fail. If the app still says your information can't be found, it could mean your account is linked through a partner bank instead of Zelle directly. Try logging in through your bank app to see if your Zelle activity appears there. And if you no longer have access to your old phone number or email, contact Zelle support team through their official website. They can help verify your identity and reconnect your account securely. So, if your forgotten username recovery keeps failing on Zelle, it's not really a glitch, it's a matter of where your Zelle account is hosted. Check whether you registered through your bank or directly with Zelle. Use the right recovery method, and you'll be back to sending and receiving money in no time.